Everyone, Tim and Mina here with the Cozy Homestead, and today we're going to show you how to make some homemade cough medicine. Now, we have 1 quart mason jars, and inside each jar we have 12 candy canes that we broke up. Then we're going to add a whole lemon that's been sliced into each one. And then we're going to top it off with some medicinal assistance.
Rum.
And what you're going to do is you're going to let this sit until the candy cane has all dissolved. And then use it as necessary. I mean, you could just use the same shot glass that comes with the name brand stuff. Okay, everyone, so like I said, we just topped off 3 quart bottles with our medicinal alcohol beverage of choice, 12 candy canes, and a whole lemon sliced. Let this sit. The candy canes will dissolve. Once they're dissolved, it's ready to use. Just use a shot for adults, of course. And believe it or not, this actually does help. Now, what we'll do is after it dissolves, we'll add a little bit of honey to it. Because some of the people in this house are lightweights, and they can't really take that much alcohol. So that's it. That's simple. Y'all take care. Stay blessed. See you in the next one.